man, that's such a mental party.
I know. Could be. Hi.
You know what this is.
This reminds me of one time I went to a little old house and we had this absolute mental party.
Really?
Yeah.
Did that look more good Saturday?
Oh no, nothing really measures up to this.
I know.
And it must just be absolutely amazing for you having a party with such a basketball star. Me.
Yeah, well, what's more amazing is we've been friends for a long time.
And I've never ever forgotten. I've always, you know, I might be getting rich and I might be going through some serious times, but I never ever forget about people close to my heart, you know what I mean? And, you know, no matter what comes my way, I'll always have time for people that have, you know, been there for me.
Nice to know these things.
Yeah, it's a good party. Do you mind talking to my old house, by the way? My old house. Absolutely hilarious. This old guy wants to buy a paintbrush from me.
Paintbrush?
Screwdriver.
Tell us more about this screwdriver guy.
Are you sure you really want to hear about it? Because it's absolutely terrifying.
Oh my god.
You know what this is.
Right. It was a cold night in November 1987 when I had a knock on my door. My next door neighbour, Ted, and his family held a screwdriver. Now Ted always wore a balaclava. I never knew why, but he always wore a balaclava.
But if you think that's a bit weird, did you ever ask him?
What, for the screwdriver?
No, about the balaclava.
No. See, what happened was, he, ex-army comrade, he used to own a DIY store, so I thought it was a perfect bloke to go to, trust the screwdriver. So I rang him up.
Wait, Josh. Why do you want the screwdriver? Okay.
So I rang up Ted and I said, Ted, I've got a tin of paint, I want to redecorate it. I can't open the paint. He goes, tell you what, Josh, Ted said, yeah, I'll get you a screwdriver, and I'll never forget this moment. He said, I'll bring it round in a minute. So when I sat down, with a knock, 3 knocks. Like that. And I went to the door and it was Ted. He said, here's a screwdriver, he passed me a green screwdriver, it had a green handle, bit of paint on it. He said, is it right if I have it back? When he finished it, I said, Ted, no problem, mate. So I went and opened the tin of paint and I never gave the screwdriver back to Ted. And I've never forgiven myself for it. I've still got the screwdriver now, in fact. Right here in my hands. I kept it because, you know, I did need a screwdriver and I was doing quite a lot of decorating and days went from days and then weeks went from weeks and I just thought, well, I can't really give this back to him now, he's probably forgotten about it. But he hadn't, and I saw him really quite recently. And his balaclava was always shouting me across the road going, I want a screwdriver back, and I've gone, I can't give you your screwdriver now, I just have to run away.
Right, Josh.
I just get the screwdriver and just give it back to him.
Josh, don't worry about it. I'm sure he doesn't care. It's just a screwdriver. It's just a screwdriver.
He said to me, the 18th of February, I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna kill you if you don't give me a screwdriver back.
What's the date today?
The 18th of February.
Josh, don't worry. I'm sure he's forgotten about that and he was probably just a little bit drunk or something.
I'm joking. Joking. Never even said that. It's alright.
You scared me!
I know.
Come on. So, what are we going to do?
No, we should really do this again sometime. I've had a really good night.
Yeah, me too.
What was that? There's someone at the door.
Okay, get it.
Yeah, go and get it. Go and get it.
Soon as he buy that wine, I just keep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with, things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gonna be here for a while? I'm gonna call my crew. You gonna call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around.
I'll just have to come on
So
in.
the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Gon' fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few. A few. We gon' do what we think to do. Ain't that right,
What are you screaming about?
just go to the crib and watch a
Ted,
movie in the
you know the man I was telling you about from those years ago, the one that I borrowed the screwdriver off. It's him.
It was a joke. Yeah, right. Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. I've got it with me, Ted. I forgot to give it back to you, alright? I forgot about it. Low blood feelings, yeah? Alright?
Tremendous cream, $1 in the
That's a bit weird, wasn't it, eh?
That was pretty funny.
It wasn't funny.
It was, it's just the one stuff that.
It was not funny. I tell you what, look, we're not safe. Grab something quickly, because if he comes back when we're dead, he's going to kill me. Alright? Just grab something quickly. You take that gun. Careful with that, yeah? Careful with that gun. All that noise. What the bollocks was that? Get up! Get up!
Christ, what are you going on about?
There's someone out there. It's him, it's Ted.
It's your imagination. Go back to bed.
I heard it, I heard bang.
Shush, Josh. It's your imagination. What? Where are we? Don't know. Why are we tied up? I have no idea. But, look. It's Ted! It's me, girl. No! Quick, pass me the gun. Quick, shoot him. It's all too much. You idiot, what have you done? Why did you kill yourself? You don't have the guts to kill me. You want to bet? Eat this.
We're about to sing a song called Dirty Sensations from the boys with no limitations. Yup, yup, yup.